and welcome to Biosafety Support Snippets. These are short videos providing health and safety and biosafety information to biotech, pharma and a host of other bioscience organizations, particularly in the UK. In the last video, I spoke about genetic modification, or GM. Organizations planning to undertake GM activities have several things to consider, one of which is the GM class activity that their work will fall under. The Genetically Modified Organisms Contained Use Regulations categorizes GM work into Class 1 GM activity, Class 2 GM activity, Class 3 GM activity, and Class 4 GM activity. The higher the number, the greater the risk, and this means that more containment measures are applicable. So how do you know which GM class activity your work falls under? The best way to conclude this is to conduct a risk assessment. What's the matter? Why are you shouting?
I hate it when safety people give me that answer. What does your risk assessment say?
You hear that a lot because regulations point to risk assessments. But don't worry, I'll roll up my sleeves and help you with your risk assessment. That will take away the stress. As I said, there are several things to consider. To name two, for work with microorganisms, knowing the hazard group of the organism is vital. Secondly, is knowing whether the prescribed containment measures in the GM regulations can be met by your organization. These are listed in Schedule 8 of the regulations and differ for microorganisms in laboratories, microorganisms in plant growth facilities, and microorganisms in animal units. These two considerations and more will be noted on your risk assessment. If you're looking for support with your risk assessment, contact info@bishopsimon.co.uk. You can find out more about our services by visiting bishopsimon.co.uk. If you need more information about biosafety more quickly and in more detail, then our Biosafety Foundation e-learning training is perfect for you. This is an IOSH approved course. I'll put information about the course in the description. I hope you found this video useful, and if so, please do share it. See you next time.